The overall goal of this procedure is to optimize the installation quality for fiber-reinforced polymer spike anchors and to procure the maximum reproducibility for the anchor's installation.
This method can help answer questions in the field of concrete reinforcement with fiber-reinforced polymers, such as how anchors contribute to delaying the bonding and what parameters affect the anchor performance. The main advantage of this technique is that it guarantees proper quality of installation, thus reducing uncertainties about whether the fibers are kinked. Demonstrating this procedure will be Sergio González and Romeo Chabot, two technicians who helped in our laboratory research.
Prepare a masonry or concrete structure for drilling a hole. In this case, it is concrete with a compressive strength of 30 megapascals. For an anchor, use 10 mm fiber rope. Its diameter will expand from 10 up to about 14 mm when impregnated. Use a rotary hammer to begin drilling a 20 mm diameter hole to allow for a 6 mm clearance. Occasionally interrupt drilling the hole to insert a rigid bar of known length into the drilling hole. Measure the length that remains exposed and determine the embedded length. Continue on to smoothing the hole when the length is acceptable.
Smoothing the hole edge is crucial to diminish kinking of fibers and also to control the quality of installation. For this procedure, a specific drill bit was designed.
For first dust removal, use a blowout hand pump and blow the hole out at least twice. When done, prepare to smooth the hole.